Okay, today I'm going to show you how to wire in a kill switch for a mini bike. I'm going to try and make this quick. So we got a kill switch right here, which the wires coming down here, all the way down here, and one wire is going to the spark plug wire. So when you connect the spark plug wire to ground, it turns off the engine. And the easiest way to do it, I think, is to cut that wire and to wire in that wire to the switch and the other wire to ground. And if you want to have this switch working as long with that with that switch working, you'll just want to have have a three basically have a wire connected to this with this wire still connected. And how you can do that is just strip some wire off, solder in some wire, but that's kinda hard, or it takes some skill. The easiest way is just to cut the wire and you use a wire nut. Or the way I did it is I came from the oil shut off sensor. You can play around with it, connect them different wires and see what will turn off the engine. It's pretty straightforward. So yeah, please like, subscribe, and share this video. And that's it.